What's up, guys? Welcome back to another tactical assault video.
What's up, YouTube?
Today we're doing pistol only. So,
And no sights either.
and yeah, we're also gonna do no sights.
Look, it's like you can dance to it. Look.
Yeah, that was.
It's like a
freaking
boogie
awesome.
bomb.
Okay, why did it give us extra pistol ammo whenever we were?
You can put it in your dump pouch, you imbecile.
Oh, wait, if
Yeah, you imbecile.
Oh, that's actually good. Okay.
Ooh.
All right, guys, no sights with pistols. Oh, now the sight's gonna be in the way. Okay, well.
It's fine.
Also, no red dot. No red dot.
No laser?
No laser. You can do flashlight,
You are
no
a
laser.
nerd.
We're gonna make this as hard as possible. Oh my gosh. The problem is we have to get close range. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, dude. I can't. If I throw. Okay. Well, he's gonna die because there's a grenade there. Yeah, get sent to sky high. Oh my god.
Gosh!
He got blasted to Kingdom Come.
No knives! Hey, I'll handle this. Can I use grenades or like...
You can use grenades.
Can I use a knife?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Grenade and knife only? Yeah,
Watch out.
he's gone. Get me out of this place. Move up, move up, move up.
What?
Are you
Revive.
downed or killed?
Revive me.
I'm gonna blast these guys to Kingdom Come, bro. Die, 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 die. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh gosh, I gotta... Dude, this is insane, bro.
3, 2, 1.
Watch out.
Oh my... Oh my... This is so annoying.
They're dead.
And I can't use the...
How are you not
Oh,
dead?
he's gone. Oh, he's so gone. Oh.
Oh, that was
It looks like I've got at
In
least
the air.
two rounds in here.
Someone's trying to do JFK.
Okay, we had 3 rounds in there.
I
I am
JFK.
going through this pistol ammo right now.
You have a code JFK.
Oh my gosh. I can't see in here, bro. Oh my gosh. I don't have any stems, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh! I died to the exact same people. Okay.
If there is no, like, long-range weapons allowed, then how are you supposed to break open doors?
You can open the door with the back
can-
of your pistol.
Yeah.
Or shoot it open.
You can hit it with the butt of the pistol. Go like bam. Bam. Wait, why do you have the...
It's just in case I need it.
No, if we're doing pistol only,
Ow!
we're not doing that.
Thank you.
No problem. These guys are bums. I don't...
I didn't even hit him, bro. There's like no way I actually hit him.
Alright, we're gonna remove that. And then... yeah.
Where are you? Where are you guys?
I don't know. I don't know where I am. Why the heck does this guy expect me to know where we are? Oh, guys, there's somebody up at the top in one of the rooms. Just be
Guys, who has a
careful.
grenade? You just said you can't use that. The guy.
Revive me! Revive us! Revive me! Revive me! Revive me!
Oh my gosh. I don't see anybody. I can't see anything because of you. There's nobody.
Shut up!
There's nothing up here.
There's nothing we can do. Don't want to escape.
Oh my, would you be quiet?
Will you shut up, man?
What are we looking for? What are we even doing? What is our purpose?
There's a flash drive we're looking for.
Okay, now where is that?
What do you think I know?
Actually, you really look like an intelligent person. I guess I was wrong.
Yeah.
You talking to me?
No! I wasn't talking to nobody except myself.
Objective. Whatever this is. This over so. Oh, I found a
Oh,
USB.
finally! Good job! Okay, put it in.
It's over.
You
Actually, we're
idiot.
supposed to extract you.
Wrong
Right.
one, wrong one, wrong one.
Just give me it. Just
Wrong
give me
one,
it. Just give
wrong
me it.
one.
Just give me it. Dude, you're
Wrong what?
No, just put
Wrong
it.
computer.
Give me. Dude,
No.
there's no computer we're supposed to put it in. There's no computer we're supposed to put it in.
But what do we do with it?
Then come here,
Put
come
it
here,
in your
come.
dump pouch. We're supposed to extract with it.
Go that way. Oh my god. Dead flippin' aim, golly!
Do you-
That was
Dominic,
terrible.
Do you see the dump pouch on your side?
Guys, protect me. God.
What? A bottle of water?
No.
Yeah, there's people here.
Why are you going
Go,
this way?
go! No, other way! This way!
This guy's an idiot.
We're gonna be in the main road and we're gonna be sitting ducks if you go there. Oh my, run! Come on, go, make a mad dash, Go, keep going! Let's go! Where's my gun?
I did it. I'm the goat.
We did it.
No, I did.
No, we did it. Let's go. Mission
guys.
successful. Let's
First
go.
time in forever.
You know, I think we should just play pistol only forever because, like, we've barely made actual clear
No,
missions.
the only reason that worked is because you weren't messing around.
Yeah.
We actually had to fulfill something. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe. Subscribing is free, and it just helps out my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.